Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl. In today's video, I'm partnering with Walmart to bring you some of the coolest, most affordable outerwear options for this fall out there. So before we get into the video, there are a couple of things that I did want to mention. First of all, you may have noticed if you've been with me for a while that my channel name has changed as well as my Instagram name. I changed those because I did recently get married and I did want to streamline everything so everyone would know what my channel is about. It's about clothing and style and lifestyle, and I wanted to make everything more congruent and streamlined, so when you saw the title you knew what I was going to be talking about. The next thing that I did want to mention is that in being a Walmart creator, I do now have a Walmart storefront, so I'm going to leave the link to that below. The storefront, I have different collections, so check that link often to see what I've added. I do add daily to that, and I'm so excited about the Walmart storefront. So first of all, the earrings that I have on, these are by Time and True. They sort of look like the little threader earrings. They're not. I've had these forever, and they've kept their color really well. I'm really impressed with them. For like, I think they were like $3.88. I have on my Believe by Brilliance tennis necklace, my No Boundaries motorcycle tee, my Madden NYC thin belt. The jeans that I have on are the Melissa Flares by Sofia, and I have on my Time and True Moto Boots. All of those things I've talked about in previous videos. The star of this outfit is actually going to be this blazer. This is the Free Assembly single-breasted blazer. They're calling this Deep Indigo. It is a very dark wash. It's $39. It's available in sizes extra small through XXL. And does have some stretch to it. I sized up. I'm typically a size small. I did size up. I tend to size up at least one size in outerwear, just in case I'm wearing a hoodie or a thick sweater, just to allow for that. But yeah, isn't this pretty? So the denim on denim look, which is also known as the Canadian tuxedo, is all on trend this fall. Back up to where you can see the entire outfit as well as the shoes. These Time and True Moto booties are awesome. So I think that this gives you a really cool look. If you like the denim on denim, let me know what you think about this one. All right, I'm back with the next look, but before we start talking about this outerwear item, I did want to mention that I broke down and got some fall candles. I was trying to resist the urge to do that because I told my daughter, how early is too early for fall? And she was like, anytime before fall, Mom. And so I was trying to hold out until the first day of fall to start with the fall decorating and the fall candles. However, I did break down and I picked up a pumpkin spice, and I picked up this one from Mainstays. It's called Fall Farmhouse. This one has cypress, spice, and amber. And you guys, it's not overpowering. It's not like an in-your-face pumpkin spice type of candle. This one it's a very clean scent. So I do recommend this one with the cypress, spice, and amber notes. So yeah, you could always peel off the label, and it will look much more expensive than what it is. So I don't know if you guys are like me. If you have a like really expensive candle, anything like over $20 for me, I consider an expensive candle. I won't burn it. I will burn it for like a few minutes and then put it out because I want to save it and savor it. These have a great fragrance. They last forever. And relatively inexpensive, so you don't have that urge to immediately put it out and save it because it wasn't that expensive. Okay, so enough about the candles. Let's get back to the clothes. This next blazer that I'm showing you is by Free Assembly. It's the double-breasted blazer in black. It comes in two other colors in sizes extra small through XXL. This one is $42. This one is 100% cotton and 1% spandex, so there is just the tiniest little bit of stretch to it. I did size up. When I pulled this out, I was really shocked that it was 100% cotton, or almost 100% cotton. So this one it could be worn casually. It could be dressed up for a more elevated look. So on the fall runways, the double-breasted blazer is the most trending blazer of the moment. So this one is a great way to be on trend for $42. Next up, we have this faux leather moto jacket by Scoop. This one is in, they're calling it Olive Night. It's in that olive color that is so on trend for fall. This one is available in sizes extra small through XXL. It comes in 5 colors. Now, some of the colors, whenever I ordered this one, I did notice were out of stock on some of the sizes. This one is under $22. I picked this one up, I sized up, and I actually should not have. I've got way too much room in this one. So this one, that's why I've left the little tags on. This one's gonna have to be exchanged for a medium. I did go all the way up to a large in this one, and it's just way, way, way too big. So, but I do like it. I love the color. It's different. I love that it's a color that you don't typically see in the faux moto jacket. So, very well made. Everything from Scoop is always great. So definitely check this one out. Next up is this No Boundaries faux leather bomber jacket. This one is in black. These come in sizes extra small through XXL, and it's under $25. Now, I did size up in this one, and I'm glad that I did actually. This one worked out good. I got this one in a large. It is cropped. It does have pockets. I absolutely love this. I think that this is going to be so cute for fall with all those summer dresses. If instead of wearing a denim jacket every time when it's cool in the evening, throwing something on over it, grab this instead. It gives a nice edgy look. Looks great with these time and true Moto Boots. So yeah, this is giving all the cool girl vibes. Really love this one. So cute. Next up is the tried and true denim jacket. Now, no fall outerwear video would be complete without the denim jacket. And this one, by Time and True, is on point. So check this one out. This one also comes in a couple of other colors. I believe one of them is actually Golden Nugget. I didn't see that in store, but that is available online. This one is under $25. It comes in sizes extra small through, I think, 3XL. It does have a little bit of stretch to it. I picked this one up in medium. This is going to be great to go over everything, just to grab, throw in the car, have it with you, throw over your shoulders. A great little take-along piece for the cooler fall evenings. And it's tried and true. It's tried and true by Time and True. Okay, I have one more look, and it is not for the faint of heart, guys. It really isn't. It's a notice me sort of look, but I'll be right back to share that with you. Okay guys, I'm back with the wow piece of the entire haul. Now this is the Sofia jeans trench coat in leopard, double-breasted. This is 100% polyester. This one comes in extra small through 5X. It's actually $49. And this one is so good. This also comes in black if the leopard is a little much for you. This screams mob wife, old Hollywood. So luxurious looking. I love leopard, so for me, this one is just absolute perfection. She did a really good job with the leopard print. It doesn't have any stretch to it. It does have the traditional trench coat feel, however. It's the little flap on the side. This is everything. So yeah, if you don't like the leopard, pick it up in the black. It is awesome. Sofia did a wonderful, wonderful job on this one. Okay, so that about does it for my fall outerwear haul. I hope that you saw something that you liked. I would have to say, I think my two favorites are probably this trench coat and the faux leather bomber. And I really didn't expect that one to be one of my favorites, but it was really, really cute. Really did enjoy that one. I'm glad that I picked that one up and actually saw that one in person. It's hard to tell online sometimes what something's going to look like until you actually take it out and have it on. So yeah, loved it. Definitely go check those out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would be honored if you did. That would be great. It helps me out, it helps my channel out. Yeah, and go check out my Walmart storefront. The link will be below. I will link all of the items below that I wore in this video, as well as the fall candle that I talked about, all of my makeup, everything. So it'll all be in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it immensely. And so until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.